So Yopo and I used to be roommates in Delhi, and I think it's been what? How many years, Yopo? 10 years? No, 15 years.
No, yeah, it's
Oh yeah,
not
oops.
at all.
Oh, thank God. I just got scared. So, Dr. Yopo, what's your life in Kohima like? How fast or slow it is?
Extremely slow.
Extremely slow, is it?
Yeah.
How many cafes a month do you like go to?
Not much, maybe twice or thrice a month.
I came down from Seminyu today, and I finally feel like I'm back to some kind of civilization. No, jokes aside, Seminyu is nice, but there is not much happening in the town. There's very little that you can do. I, of course, love being in the village for the nature and just the mountain and the whole life there. But, I don't mind me some cafe once in a while.
It's just an hour and a half away, so you can always come down.
Yeah,
Chill out.
Seminyu is actually surprisingly not very far away from Kohima, right? Arokiko. We're gonna be driving up to the cathedral from here and meet my cousin brother who is a priest. Yopo here wants to join the priesthood.
Sisterhood.
No, we want to get an exorcism done. म एक दिन मोहन फार्म दे जादम दे मासला ऊपर एक मोहन नदी दे बेरायना मस्किटो किता धुरे से तो फिश ना क्रैब खान तो मैं मुला cousin brother के पटना को exorcism green है ते पूरा मस्त बाढ़ वाला होता है. Also, what are the kind of cases that you deal with? Like, by the way, Yopo here is a pathologist at Naga Hospital, Kohima. What are the common cases as per your observation? What are some kind of common cases among the Naga folks here?
Mainly your appendicitis and your cholecystitis, but then increase in cancer detection.
And the age category for that is above or within the bracket of?
Maybe somewhere between 50s, 60s.
50s, 60s, maybe. Still young, right? 50, 60?
Yeah, 50, 60 is still very young.
And what do you think is causing it? Like, is it the kind of food, lifestyle, or what's the hypothesis there?
Could be genetic, could be lifestyle, environmental.
Do you think we had cancer long ago also, but we didn't detect it because we didn't have the facility to? Or is it something that is growing now more with our generation?
Yeah, better detection, like maybe one of the causes of like increasing in the number of cases. Better facilities, people are not going out these days. They can get treatment from within the state. So that might be another factor. And people are also like having a longer lifespan. So maybe because of that also, because cancer is usually mostly seen in the older age group, though it can happen in any age group. So that may be one of the causes also.
What are like some general advice for early detection for cancer patients, or like for someone who might be genetically prone to cancer? Like, what do you recommend they do, like annually, or like what are some things that they can do proactively?
Maybe like if you have a family history, or you can be like, be cautious. You can get yourself tested early, or maybe if you experience any signs and symptoms, or maybe like maintaining a healthy lifestyle. That is also one factor, which is like your food habits, your physical activity. So that is
Stress
also
management also?
Yes, stretch management as well. So you are like almost a doctor, I think.
Excuse me, we used to be roommates in Delhi, and yeah, she used to study all the time, and I used to be fooling around, and then I used to really stress out so much because she's studying right from her bed. Utha lagal the pura types.
Doctor King alone.
Okay.
Or else I would have been an influencer.
Ouch.
Making TikToks during the pandemic.
Sajle ti Naga Hospital TikTok banai degle no de kali But on a serious note, like, do you think like pap smear tests and stuff like that is important for women to do? And if so, like, by what age should we like take those things into consideration?
I think it's important, especially cervical cancer. It's like the second most common overall in India, but then it is the most common cancer you are seeing in Nagaland among women.
Oh my gosh, really?
Yeah. So
Speaking of which, even I need to get that test done soon. Like, I'm like talking about it here, but equally guilty of taking it lightly.
timing, it's not fixed for anyone, but after 21 years of age, or if you are sexually active, that is one. So ideally after like 21 years of age.
And for men, prostate is like later in age, or like they can get it tested younger as well?
Prostate is usually seen in elderly, like mostly common after 40 years of age only. So yeah, you can get yourself tested for your PSA, which is nothing but a blood test. Get vaccinated for cervical cancer.
Oh yeah. Like even without detection?
No, vaccinated means it should be in a younger age group when you're around like ideally between 9 to 14 years of age. before 15 years of age. But as such, you can do it anytime. But ideally, before anyone is like exposed sexually, na?
Right, and I'm assuming that's not a common vaccine that is been given to people, right? Like only manusia pardo nahalala vaccine ase.
Yeah. India wise, so I think only few years like it has like this thing become popular, no?
Right.
And it's also not included in the immunization schedule at the moment. But then some private clinics they might offer.
Okay, that's good information for young parents. You can get your children vaccinated for cervical cancer. Excuse me, this is such good information for people.
My information might be accurate, although some people might
No,
debate in the
no, but no, that's okay. It's fair enough. It's a free world. We can all debate and talk about it. No one holds any information like that is theirs. Final question, like for both men and women, like is there like a screening test that one can do to prevent cancer or like to just detect cancer early on? Like for women and men, you said like what they can do, but is there like a general screening that people can do?
that I'm not quite sure of.
I mean, honestly, unless you have health issues and then you go test and
Yeah,
or, like,
you can do genetic testing for all the. You can test your whole genome message. Yeah.
basically to see if you test. Kali biya parto. Don't stress, Yopo. All you doctors, if you come for my friend, I'm gonna come for y'all. So stay away. It's okay to talk about these things. It's okay. We don't have to be nervous. I know YouTube and online is a very scary place to be, but it's okay. We are all trying to connect. We're not talking about anything bad. You are a doctor, period. Okay?
I get a notice from my director.
Hi Director G, please notice mat bhejna mera friend ko. ये social service कर रहे. Anyhow, so we are at Garrison Hills Center and the view from this cafe is very pretty. So for all of you who visit Kohima, make sure you visit this cafe. It's right below the Kohima War Cemetery. Shout out to Tia Iyer. I love his work. The painting behind there is also done by him. There is an illustration book here that is also done by Tia. I have one of Tia's painting in my home in Bangalore. Tia is a good artist. We like Tia. It's a whole history on the whole war and everything that happened around this part of the hill.